Ladies and gentlemen, I greet you all and I hope each and every one of you is having an awesome day today. Yo, it's been long since I last came and dropped an analysis for you guys. I know you guys have missed it, but let's not waste time. There's a lot that has been happening though, but yeah, just click the link in my description and get to be part of the movement. There's a lot that has been happening, but yeah, I'm gonna give you guys more updates in the next coming video. Very excited about the new things that are coming up, and you guys need to join and be part of that. Like, yo, there's a lot, but now let's focus on a bigger deal. On today's analysis, I'm gonna be just be very simple and straightforward. I'm gonna be doing DXY for you. I'm gonna be doing XAUUSD for you. I'm gonna be doing the US30 for you, as well as the GBPUSD. So those are the pairs I'm gonna be doing for you today. I hope you guys get to be ready. I hope you guys are excited. I actually did a growing of an account series, but I have a problem with getting the files from my phone to my laptop for now. But I think on an upcoming video I'll be dropping that, and you guys should really enjoy that. So the DXY, remember last time I said the DXY was gonna sell. Obviously that happened. It sold, and even now, as it stands, I think we're still gonna be selling, moving further down, but we're gonna see as time goes on. But for now, I think everything is just still right on track. I think we might touch that line a little bit and continue selling further downwards. Right now that's not there, and as you can see, it's not there. So that means currently we can say we are currently bullish on what's on the DXY, meaning to say the USD first is a buy and the USD second is a sell. So that's basically what we have at the back of our mind at the moment. But also looking at this with my technical analysis, I see a beautiful double top formation that needs to be broken first before anything can take place. You see, I see a very beautiful small double top formation on a 45 minutes chart, and as well as a what we call a bearish flag. This is a bearish flag. I can conclude by saying this is a bearish flag. It's a bearish flag. So in future, I will be expecting my sales to continue as beautiful as they were. Impulse and correction. So I'll be expecting my sales to continue as they were before. Just a minor correction. I'm going to be expecting a beautiful sell continue. But for now, we're still on the buys, of which I'm not sure for how long will these buys be. So the moment I change, one thing that can make me change my mind is when we break above, we test, and then we continue moving further up. If that doesn't happen, we break below, we test, we continue moving down, then that means we're gonna continue with having the very weak dollar. So that's the DXY. I thought it's very much important for me to just start by checking the DXY for you. So moving right along to the first thing, which is XAUUSD. So moving right along to the first pair, you see as the time has been going, gold has been very bullish. As you know that every time when DXY is weak, gold becomes bullish. So we can see that being portrayed even now. So there is my analysis on gold. So gold, I think gold keeps on being bullish. So that actually is an indication that we might be having sells on the DXY if gold is as bullish as it is. It's very simple and straightforward, guys. As you can see, very simple and straightforward. It's still buying, so we might anticipate our sales to continue on the DXY if we're still having these longs that are continuing with or on our XAUUSD. So that's it. Yo man, I gave a signal. I'm sorry, I gave a signal on Euro USD. This Euro USD wasn't supposed to be part of this, but I gave a signal on Euro USD, and yo, people are deep in profits, man. I gave a signal on Euro USD and people made money from it, like yo, like crazy. People were eating all these. We got in here and it's currently here. So people have been eating on Euro USD. We ate on Euro USD. I'm very happy to everyone who's my Signal subscriber who has paid for my signals, because they are able to get such beautiful treatment. And as well as people who are who have signed up with the brokers that I use, they also get a chance to also get my free signals. So they get free signals, they get the free access to my VVIP signals. If you sign up with the broker on my description, you have to send me the CU number or the partner number, and then in that case you get to be part of and then you get to be part of this life-changing experience. So that's it. So that's, I just wanted to show you a glance on what's happening on Euro USD. Moving right along, we're gonna be moving to US30, US30, United States 30. So as you know, most of the time US30 and NAS 100 moves with gold. So like I explained before, that when we are having our bulls on the DXY, you're gonna be expecting sells from the US states, and then when we're having the bears on the DXY, you're gonna be expecting bulls on the United States dollar. Same as gold. I think it's just more or the same thing that happens, but it's not always the one of gold and US states is not always correct. It's sometimes gonna show you flames. You're gonna see gold buying and say you also have to buy US30, and it's gonna show you flames. I don't know what makes it to sometimes correlate and what makes it not to correlate sometimes, but I feel like all the other correlations, they correlate when they want to, but when they don't want to, they don't. So correlations are good, but never ever say you are 100% sure because of a correlation that you believe in or that you heard Jaguar talking about. So never ever say never say never ever say when USD/JPY is buying, gold is gonna sell. Sometimes it's not always the case, so you must always be skeptical and be very aware and analyze every time, because if it were to be like that, that means we wouldn't be analyzing some of the pairs. We'll just say, nah, I'm not gonna analyze because I've already seen that particular pair, so there's no need for me to analyze. So it's always important and advisable for all traders, especially beginners, to analyze everything at any time and to update your analysis every time. When you update your analysis, it means to just wipe off everything that you currently are having and try to see the new possibilities from what you are having. So with US30 right now, I feel like if we can hit a beautiful double top there at the top, then that's the time when I will be looking for actually shorts, because right now it's still longing and it's longing up. So that's the only time I'll be looking for shorts at this time and moment. I would say just stay on your longs and don't exit your longs. There is nothing that I see that has said, there's no signal, there's no indication that has given me that we are not gonna continue with our longs. So I would advise you to continue holding your longs. So looking at the last thing that I said I was gonna do for you guys today, is what we call GBPUSD. So GBPUSD. GBPUSD is one of the most volatile pairs. Hey, you don't play with GBPUSD, guys. You see, the signal that I gave was actually spot on. Here is it. It was actually spot on, but I haven't been trading this for 3 weeks now. For 2 weeks, I mean. So I do not know exactly what's currently happening. So right now, I'm seeing the structure is currently bearish, so I'm just gonna respect what's currently happening. Because it clearly shows that the United States dollar is United States dollar is currently having more power than the GBP. But let's see how it plays out, man. This is a very interesting structure. Because if it's like this, the way I trade allows me to hold sells until Jesus comes back. If it's like this, my strategy allows me to hold these sells until Jesus comes back. My strategy, for me, it allows me to hold these sells until Jesus comes back. Let me just try to look what might happen. But with that one, it allows me to hold. But when I do like this, I already can tell that probably my trend line was drawn in a wrong way. You can then see getting touches, I'm no longer getting touches. So with your allowance, but then you remember now when we say it's gonna continue selling, it's against our will, because we said the DXY is actually finishing up the setup and then turning against. So that means since the DXY was bearish, we're looking for DXY to start being bullish. So at this time and moment, I think, let me just confirm what I'm saying. I don't want to lie. Let me confirm what I'm saying, guys. Oh, yes. So DXY was bearish for the longest time. We say when we break below and we test, we're going to be looking for buys. So that means no. Let me start again. We said it was bearish. When DXY is bearish, it means what? It means USD is losing strength. When it's bullish, it means USD is gaining strength. At this time and moment, with this analysis, what was happening here within the box? Let me just circle. It was being bullish, hence why we saw the decline in what? In GBPUSD, because now GBP is what? Is a code. I mean, USD is the code, it's not the base currency of GBPUSD. So right now, if we see if we see DXY not failing to break above this double top, that means what? That means we're gonna be able to see USD losing strength now. That means we're gonna start seeing buys on GBPUSD, of which is something that I'm suspecting it's gonna be happening anytime soon, because when I'm looking at this, I see that we're at the support. It's not that I'm contradicting myself, I'm not, but I'm looking at all the possibilities, and every possibility that I look at must have a reasoning behind. So I endorse buys. By Friday, we're probably gonna be flying up there at the top. So have your stop loss very tight and have your take profits at 1.29 and 1.31. So yeah, that's it. Other than that, as Jaguar FX, your mentor, done on today's analysis. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you enjoy the content that I provide here, please, man, give me a thumbs up, like and subscribe on my channel, and don't forget to put that notification bell so that you get to be notified on any other future uploads. So I wish I can come to this channel and analyze with someone else, because analyzing analyzing alone is sometimes boring, because I have one perspective. I also need people who would just like say, no man, this is this is that, because you see, I agree and disagree with myself based on reasoning. So it's very much important. FOREX like Euclidean geometry. everything that you say must have a reason. You must always follow the rules and always have a reasoning for whatever that you're saying. Remember, I almost said Gbpusd is going to be selling, but now by looking at the elements and what's being shown by the DXY, I see that Gbpusd is ready for buys. You see, it's very nice, much nice. Other than that, it's JaguarFX, your man to man, signing out.